Have you ever wondered which programming language would be in demand in 2023? Despite the fact that there are more than 200 programming languages, only a small number of them are utilized in the actual world. For one to be successful in the developer job market, one must be aware of this information. Over 14M developer jobs have been scanned by DevJob Scanner in the past 17 months, from January 2022 to May 2023. DevJob Scanner has only selected the job offers from those 14M positions that specifically required a programming language. Number 8. Go language. Go is a young language created only 12 years ago by Google. Google designed Go to improve programming productivity in an era of multi-core, networked machines and large code bases. As indicated in the chart below, the job demand for Go programming language remains stable at 2%, with more than 58K job opportunities available during this period. Top-tier companies like Uber or Twitch are using Go. Go jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023, 58,000 approx 2% of total jobs demand. Number 7. Ruby language. Ruby holds the top 7 most demanded programming language with 134K jobs found, tilde 4% from the total job demand. Its most popular usage comes in conjunction with the web framework Ruby on Rails. Even though top 7 may not seem much, Ruby runs some of the top tech companies nowadays, like Twitter, Crunchbase or GitHub. Go jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023, 134,000 approx 4% of total jobs demand. Number 6. C language. 50 years have passed since the first release of C, and 37 years from the later appearance of C++, which was firstly named C with classes. In this long window of time, C++ has maintained its popularity with regular additions and improvements to the language. Modern C++ includes object-oriented, generics and also functional features. It also facilitates low-level memory manipulation. Its usage in the industry is widely extended. C++ can be found on video games, servers, databases, space probes and many others. The demand for C++ appears to have slowed down in 2023. With its percentage decreasing from nearly 13% in February to 7% in May of the same year. C++ jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023, 280,000 approx 9% of total jobs demand. Number 5. PHP language. The language that 27 years ago started as a simple, personal home page tool, here the name PHP, has made an incredible journey since then. Is that so? That PHP is the 5th top most demanded programming language in 2023. As of May 2023, PHP accounts for 10% of the total demand for developer job offers, meaning that 1 out 10 dev jobs require PHP. PHP is mainly used for web development, in conjunction with frameworks like Laravel or WordPress. PHP jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023, 288,000 approx 9% of total jobs demand. Number 4. C# language. The top 4 spot goes to C#. C# is a general-purpose, multi-paradigm, object-oriented programming language, created mainly to address some of the weaknesses of C++. As a general-purpose language, C# has a wide range of use cases. The most common usage of C# is with the .NET framework. It is also heavily used in the Unity game framework for scripting. Both .NET Framework and Unity are popular among top-tier companies. C# jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023, 375,000 approx 12% of total jobs demand. Number 3. Java language. In the top 3 spot, as the third most demanded programming language, we found Java. Java language has been really popular since its creation in 1995. Even though this popularity has been decreasing over the last years with the appearance of more modern languages like Kotlin, it still holds a solid top 3 spot. Frameworks like Spring, used in many top-tier companies, are helping to hold that position. Java jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023, 546,000 approx 17% of total jobs demand. Number 2. Python language. Without making much noise, Python has made its journey to be the second most demanded programming language in 2023. Its versatility, from scripting, running servers or for data analysis, has been key to achieving this milestone. Also, Python has one of the greatest and bigger communities out there. During these 17 months, we have found 603k job offers that accounts for a total of 20% of jobs that explicitly require Python as a programming language. Python jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023. 630,000 approx 20% of total jobs demand. Number 1, JavaScript, TypeScript language. Since its creation to make the first websites dynamic, JavaScript hasn't stopped gaining popularity over the years. With that being said, currently JavaScript is the most demanded programming language in the entire market. Also, the arrival of TypeScript, a JavaScript superset with type safety, may also help to achieve this milestone. TypeScript popularity has only increased in recent years. Many new JavaScript frameworks are entirely written with TypeScript, like Angular or Nest.js. Since January 2022 to May 2023, 17 months, we have found 915k job offers that represents 29% of the jobs that explicitly require JavaScript or TypeScript as a programming language. JavaScript, TypeScript jobs from 1st June 2022 to 31st May 2023. 915,000 approx 29% of total jobs demand. If you're enjoying this video and finding it valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up by hitting that like button below. Also, if you think this video could help a friend or colleague, why not share it with them? Sharing is caring, after all. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll never miss our latest content, tutorials, and updates. Your support means the world to us. It motivates us to create more helpful and exciting content for you.